Welcome back to Luxury Car Vibes, the channel where we bring you the finest, rarest, and most luxurious vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we have something truly extraordinary at the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace infused with Brabus's signature performance DNA and unmatched craftsmanship. A true blend of high-speed capability, refined living, and extreme luxury on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of a home that can dominate the road while pampering you with world-class comfort, this is it. Let's begin with the exterior, because one look at the 2026 Brabus Motorhome and you immediately know it's special. Built on a custom high-performance chassis, it's a towering masterpiece of power and design. The sleek, aerodynamic body features Brabus's aggressive styling elements, from the bold carbon fiber front grille with the iconic B emblem, to sculpted side skirts and a deep rear diffuser that gives it a supercar-inspired presence. Massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels with performance tires hug the road, while adaptive LED matrix headlights and dynamic turn indicators ensure the motorhome looks as sharp at night as it does during the day. Every panel has been precision crafted, with a combination of lightweight aluminium and carbon fiber to reduce weight and improve performance, a rare feature in the motorhome world. The exterior paint can be customized with Brabus's exclusive color palette, including deep metallic blacks, satin silvers, and even bespoke matte finishes. A full-length retractable awning, hidden roof-mounted solar panels, and flush-mounted side storage compartments add practicality without compromising the sleek silhouette. Moving inside, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. As soon as you step through the power-operated entry door, you're greeted by an atmosphere that rivals the interiors of the most exclusive penthouses. Brabus's master craftsmanship is evident in every detail: a hand-stitched Napa leather upholstery, Alcantara headliners, polished carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminium accents. The living space includes a spacious lounge area with reclining captain chairs, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with a marble countertop, premium induction cooktop, dual-zone smart refrigerator, and an integrated espresso machine. The motorhome features ambient lighting with over 64 customizable colors, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any occasion. In the entertainment department, you'll find a 65-inch 8K OLED smart TV with a 3D immersive audio system from Brabus, complete with hidden speakers seamlessly integrated into the walls and ceiling. There's also a digital control hub that lets you manage lighting, temperature, privacy blinds, and security systems right from your smartphone or voice commands. The master suite is pure indulgence, featuring a king-sized memory foam bed, panoramic skylight, and a walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom offers a rainfall shower with heated walls, a luxury vanity with backlit mirrors, and gold-finished fixtures. Even the guest sleeping areas are designed with Brabus's luxury touch, ensuring everyone travels in comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is just as thrilling as it is luxurious. Powered by a Brabus-tuned twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque, this motorhome accelerates like a sports car while maintaining stability and smoothness. The advanced 9-speed automatic transmission is paired with Brabus's performance all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling even for a vehicle of this size. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height depending on speed and terrain, giving you a smooth glide on highways and confident control on winding roads. With a top speed of around 155 miles per hour and a 0-60 miles per hour time under 5 seconds, it's safe to say this is no ordinary home on wheels. For long-distance travel, a hybrid power assist system and regenerative braking help improve fuel efficiency, while the integrated solar panels provide additional electrical support for the onboard systems. Finally, let's talk about the price. With this level of performance, luxury, and customization, The 2026 Brabus Motorhome starts at around $1.8 million, and with bespoke options, it can easily surpass the $2.5 million mark. This is a machine built for those who demand nothing less than the absolute best day, whether that's on the open road or in the heart of nature. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ultimate luxury motorhome, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exclusive automotive masterpieces. Your dream ride might just be our next feature.